Hello friends. So in this video we are going to see an important concept based on relations. So the first thing that we are going to see is what is the meaning of a binary relation. So previously we saw what a relation is. So a binary relation can be thought of as a relation between two sets. So when we are considering two sets, so binary meaning two. So between these two sets, if there is a relation R, so we say that R is a binary relation. So let us take two sets A and B. So we know that the Cartesian product is A cross B. Now a relation R, which is a subset of this Cartesian product, is known as a binary relation. Why binary? Because there are two sets. Now suppose we have only one set, that is the set A. A relation can be defined on this set A cross A. So if you take a Cartesian product of a set with itself, then a relation on that Cartesian product is also called as a binary relation. Even though there is only one set, but when we are saying A Cartesian product with A itself, so we are taking two sets, two A's, that is the same set twice. So still R will be a binary relation. So here R is a binary relation. Now we are going to see three important types of relations. So the first type is a reflexive relation. So when do we say that a relation is reflexive? So suppose that every element is mapped with itself in a relation. In that sense, the relation can be called as a reflexive relation. So let me show you. So for every element in the set A, there is a mapping from A to A. So suppose the set A has the elements A1, A2 up to AP. Then A1 is mapped with A1, A2 is mapped with A2, A3 with A3, AP with AP. So all the elements are mapped with itself. Then that relation R is known as reflexive. There might be other relations also, but if this one condition is there, then it's a reflexive relation. So it can be considered as a reflexive relation. Now we will understand what is a symmetric relation. So a relation is called symmetric if, for example, there is a mapping between two distinct elements, and then there is a mapping when the order is reversed also. So let us see an example. So here we have taken the relation R over this Cartesian product. So it is a subset of this Cartesian product. So symmetric relation here, I am taking two elements. Suppose A is related to B. This is we saw this in the previous video, what this notation means. A is related to B. If A is related to B, then B is related to A. If this is true for all A and B in the set A, then we can say that this relation is symmetric. Now we will see a third kind of relation known as a transitive relation. So let us see. So when do we say that a given relation is transitive? So for transitivity, we will consider three elements. So suppose that there is a relation from A to B, that is A is related to the element B, and the element B is related to the element C. If these two conditions are true, then we should be able to say that A is related to C. If this is true, then we can say that the given relation is transitive. This should be true for all such ordered pairs. So let us write it down. So for every A, B and C which are satisfying this condition, we say that the relation is transitive. So all the ABCs and this condition, then the relation is transitive. So we have seen reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Now suppose a given relation is satisfying all these three properties, that is every element is mapped with itself, that is one condition. Second condition, it also is symmetric, that is if A comma B is in the relation, then B comma A is also in the relation, that is also true. And the transitivity is also true, that is A comma B and B comma C are in the relation, then A comma C is in the relation. In that case, the relation can be called as an equivalence relation. So a relation which satisfies all these three properties, reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then it is an equivalence relation. So with this we have covered 3 to 4 types, that is a binary relation, these three and equivalence. We have just seen what these particular terms mean in a relation. So thank you.